Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at multiplying integers. So when we're multiplying integers, the sign of the integer is important. And there's four possibilities. Positive number times positive number times negative number times positive, and then negative times negative, like that. And so we're going to look through each four of the possibilities and then summarize that at the end. So let's look at the first one, positive times positive. So 3 times 5 means we have 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 times, which gives 15. So positive times positive gives positive. Positive times negative. So here we have 3 times negative 5. We can rewrite that as negative 5 times 3. So that's negative 5 plus negative 5 plus negative 5, which gives negative 15 as such. So a positive times a negative gives a negative, like that. And then here now we have negative times positive. So negative 3 times 5. This negative 3 is happening 5 times. Bang, 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 like that. Add them all up and we get negative 15. So negative times positive gives negative, like that. So the next one, negative times negative. So let's look at the following pattern here. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. We saw that. Positive times negative gives negative. And as we decrease by 1, we are increasing by 3. And so in order to keep the same pattern going, when we go from 0 to negative 1, we're going from 0 to 3. And then here, down 1 again, plus 3. Down 1 again, plus 3. So we see here that negative times negative gives positive as such. And so here's the summary. Positive times positive is positive. Positive times negative is negative. Negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative is positive. So if they are the same, they're positive. If they are not the same, it is negative, like that. That's another way of looking at it. Okay, so let's practice. Negative 3 times 2, negative 6. Negative 4 times negative 3 is 12. 5 times 4, 20. Negative 1 times negative 7 is 7. 2 times negative 8, negative 16. Negative 7 times 3, negative 21. Right, there's only one negative. 2 times 0 is 0. Negative 2 times negative 3 is 6. Right, negative times negative is positive. And then 6 times negative 4 is negative 24, like that. Okay, so if you had trouble following, go ahead and pause the video and notice that we're following this summary when we're doing it. Okay, time for some practice. Okay, so practice number 1. Go ahead and perform these multiplications. Okay, we're back. So we have 4 times negative 5, negative 20. Negative times negative is positive. Positive times positive is positive. Negative 2 times negative 1 is 2 times negative 1, so negative 2. Negative 7 times negative 7, positive 49. 5 times negative 4, negative 20. Negative 11 times 2, negative 22. Times minus 1 is 22. And then minus 9 times 5, minus 45. So let's move to another example. Here we're going to evaluate where x is 2, y is negative 3, and z is negative 1. So here we have 3yz. So 3, input y as negative 3, and then input z as negative 1, like that. And so now we have 3 times negative 3, which gives negative 9, times negative 1 gives 9, like that. B, 2xy. So 2 times x, which is 2, times y, which is negative 3, like that. Right? So you see 2xy, 2xy, like that. So 2 times 2 is 4, times negative 3 is negative 12, like that. Okay, C. 4x, so 4 times 2, like that, times 2y, 2 times negative 3. So 4x, 2y, like that. So 4 times 2, 8. 2 times negative 3, negative 6. 8 times negative 6, negative 48. D. 5z times 2z. So 5 times negative 1 times 2 times negative 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. So 10 times positive 1 is 10, like that. E. X, y, z. So x, y, z, like that. 2 times negative 3, negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 1 is 6, like that. Okay, practice. Evaluate where m is negative 2, n is 4, and w is negative 5. So go ahead and evaluate these expressions right here. Okay, so 2mn, 2mn. So negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16, like that. Negative 3n, so negative 3 times 4 times 2w. 2 and w is negative 5, like that. So this is negative 12, this is negative 10, and this is positive 120, like that. 3nw. N is 4, like that. W is negative 5, like that. 3 times 4, 12. 12 times negative 5 is negative 60, like that. D. Negative 4m times 2n. So negative 4m, negative 2, times 2n, 4, like that. So negative 4 times negative 2 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 8, 64. E. Negative 1 times negative 3 times negative 2m. So here we have negative 1 times negative 3 gives 3. Negative 2 times m, negative 2. So this negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. So 3 times 4 gives 12, like that. F. Negative 2 m n w. So n m w, like that. So this here is 4, this here is negative 20, and this gives negative 80, like that. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.